Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lee.
Paano wala si manager?
Hindi, wala talaga. Wala talaga. Lumuwas eh, lumuwas.
Happy birthday, sister! Kaya pala mas nawala ko
Happy
sa'yo.
birthday, me. Happy birthday, me.
Angat naman sa tayo si Cyril eh, no? Napakakintab na mukha galing kay Shal.
Guys, game na. Please welcome the Debutant ay the debutant, Emil. Yeah!
I wasn't in with the in crowd, just a number in a small town. You know that hip popularity list? Well, I was like way down. Didn't dress too impressive, didn't know to address it. And ain't much had changed since those high school days till you walked in. And baby, when you fell for me, I was like a new guy on the scene. Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been.
Best friend mo nawala naman siya. Lips to lips yan. Si Bridget niya, kinis mo eh.
Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, 'cause it all just fit. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been. Girl, with you.
Siguro, patayin mo na yan. And mag-pray muna tayo para sa birthday ni Emil at para sa food.
Lord, maraming salamat po sa araw nito dahil first time ko po to, Lord. Lord, salamat po sa panibagong experience.
It's just another birthday call. Just on another birthday. It's just another birthday call. It's just another birthday.
Watch you fly like a star through the Nashville sky, kissing on air like a firefly. Boys will be boys, they stand in line, try to lasso the moon just to catch you high.
The world's a better place with you in it. God must have smiled when he put you in it.
The world's a better place with you in it.
Na ano ka? Na-surprise ka?
Opo, kuya, first time.
Wala ka bang ano? Wala ka idea?
Wala po.
Uy, sabi...
Nagpabili pa nga po ako Shanghai kay Ma'am Pao.
Bakit?
Sabi ko, dagdag handa ako.
Nalulungkot ka walang bumabati sa'yo?
Kuya, di mo nga ako pinabinati.
Siyempre.
O, nasa na yung Shanghai?
Sabi sa akin kanina, Kuya, alis ako bukas ha, doon kasi kami magse-celebrate sa Pampanga. Sige, inaano niya, pinaparinig niya ng birthday. Alam niya ba ba't pinadala ko yung Sando?
Bakit?
May pinabili ko sa'yo strap.
Ano?
Kasi ang gusto daw regalo ni Emil lalaki. So tayo lahat sasayawan natin si Emil ha.
Oo!
Sando. Sabi lang.
Busog ako yun.
Ano? Sat ko na. Okay lang yun. Okay. Kasi yung regalo natin tayo.
Madami ko na pasta yun.
Ba't tumaalis ka sa camera? Dito ka. Sabi niya, yung kinanong ko yung camera, sabi niya, uy, sa'yo pala. Hindi, magaling magsumba yan, nakikita ko. Nakikita ko yun sa ano yan, like.
Just another
Sinasama pa pamasahe.
It's just another
Sige, sagot ko lahat. Kasama din sila ate na akin sila.
birthday.
Watch you fly like a star through the
Yun yung regalo ko sa'yo. Ang regalo ko, libre ko kayo lahat sa masahe. Kaya, siyempre. Guys, giving sino may mga regalo kay Emil. Ay, walang pala si Louie.
God must have smiled when he put you in it.
Try pa.
world's a better